Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Dr. Marangis from the Max Digital channel. In today's video, I would like to teach us on how to make deposit, withdraw, transfer, how to buy coin, how to sell coin, and the other strategies in Binance based off my knowledge. So let me take into the video, no wasting of time. If you see the video is okay for you and you learn more, then I want you to subscribe it and share it to your friends and family. Let's get started. So the first time you have to do when you open your Binance, for those that they don't know how to open the Binance account, go to the link below the video and click it. You will see the video that I taught on how to open Binance account. Then now what you have to do, once you open your account in Binance, you will see it here. You will see a screen like this. Once you see screen like this, you come to this area where you see wallets. Please take note of my indications. I am indicating many things clearly for you people to understand it. Once you come to the wallet and click it, once you click the wallet, it will take you to the environment like this. You will see you are under overview. You click here, sports. Once you click sports, it will take you to this environment. You see all the things I mentioned for the first time when I started this video. So now you come to deposit. What did the Binance means by deposits? They meant you want to fund your account, or they mean you want to send cryptocurrency or USDT stable coin into your Binance account. So you come and click deposits. Click it like this. It will take you to the environment like this. Then what do you want to deposit? For example, I want to deposit Tron or USDT. Preferably I choose to use USDT. Then you click it. It will take you to this environment. Take note of this. Check the link below. I also made a video on how to how to recognize the networks of the cryptocurrency. Each and every cryptocurrency have network. For example, we have Tron, Binance, Polygon, Ethereum, and so on. There are many blockchains under. So I'll just make an example with these ones. Now, once you come to this environment, we are given advice for the gas fee charges. We'll just give advice to choose TRC20. Once you click the TRC20, it will take you to the environment like this. This is something like your account number, which is called its contract address or receiving wallet address. You click here. This is the area you have to click this dot that you see, like carpet shape. So you click it, it will show you that automatically copied. Then where is the who do you want to send the contract address to send it to you? For example, I would do it myself here. For example, assuming you send it to somebody on WhatsApp you want to send you, let me do it live so that you people will understand it. If the video serve you well, I want you to subscribe it and share it to your friends and family, please. Once you are following me, you are going to get the benefits. But if you want to get a more benefits, please try and enter my VIP class. My VIP class, I have so many benefits, not only in crypto, and then we have so many things we are given to our students so that they can benefit our VIP class, so that they will see the difference. You understand? So that is it. Once I enter the Bybit account, for example, I want to send the money from the Bybit, the USDT. So the Bybit language is different from the Binance based on the what programming site. So this is the area you have to click. Once you come to the asset in Binance says wallet, here is asset, click it. Once you click it, it will take you to the environment like this. Look at the way they arrange their own. Now you click what here you have to click withdraw. That place that you want to fund, for example Binance account, you have to click deposit and copy the account number, that is wallet address. Then you click the withdraw here. Which coin do we want to send? We want to send the USDT. Then you click here. After you click it, it will take you automatically to the environment like this. In every exchanger you must see it like this. That is it. So what you have to do here is it input your press and hold and paste your wallet address here. So you come and press it, long press it and paste. This is the area you have to choose your network, I mean this place, understand? You click the area. We set our network that we copy the wallet address is what is TRC20. We have to click on the TRC20, not this one, not this one, not this one, not this one, and all these ones, understand? And then consider one thing. Don't say that you send 10 USDT and you see every exchange they have their own rules and regulation of charges. Once we see this environment, you will see the gas fee charges. The fee, $1.3 if you want to withdraw TRC20, $0.3 if you want to withdraw BSC20. So in this case, we have to follow the lower charges. I have to go back to my Binance like this. Go back to my Binance, and I want to change the network. You understand? How do I do that? I have to click this area. I click it, it takes me to this environment. I'll copy this address, click it and copy the address. So because of what charges, every person needs lower charges in his business, so we have to maintain that one. We get a discount of $1. It's good, so I have to choose the BEF20, this one. You understand? I click BEF20 and I comes clear this one. Automatically shows me that the address is not BEF20. This is pasting, and I take myself, I want to send, like for example 10 USDT. Once I put the 10 USDT there, you see the charges automatically, they shows me that my charges will draw. They show me that 0.3 will be removed from my total amount that I want to send. This is how you make withdraw from one wallet to another wallet. If the video serve you good, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and share it to friends and family. DMAX Digital channel is serving you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.